Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I respect the commit of the e-commerce 2021 seminar. Today, allow me to present a scientific article entitled The Influence of Inquiry Learning Model and Scientific Attitude Toward Representing and Environmental Education Course. Background of the problem: globalization demand efficiency and competitiveness, which must be accompanied by an increase in the quality of human resources, include skill and intellectual staff, which is in line with Law No. 20 of 23. The law profit and understanding that education has an understanding that education has an important role to bring students to think actively and creatively, because in the future students must survive in time of full competition. One component of creative thinking, creative thinking, namely thinking divergent, which is useful for finding ideas and solutions so that students can survive in an era full of competition. Assessment of scientific attitude is very important so that it becomes a reference for capable and incapable in learning and competition in the era globalization too, so that it becomes a reference for capable and unable in learning and competition in the era globalization, so that they will be motivated to excel and have a strong commitment to achieve excellence and success. Problem: lecture do not provide creative thinking space when learning. 2. Learning with the lecture method is one of the habits that are difficult to change. 3. Low positive attitude cause low learning outcome. 5. Sudden independently is not optimal export. Sudden learning outcome are still on satisfactory with the average. Possible semester as follow: A 12%, B 23%, C 25%, D 12%, and E 26%. Based on description above, it can be concluded that it is necessary to conduct research to determine the effect of learning model and scientific attitude on divergent thinking skill. Reciting the problem, guided entry, inquiry model, 2. Environmental education subject, 3. Increase divergent thinking skill and scientific attitude, 4. Knowing the influence of the inquiry learning model. Problem statement are the different in PLH divergent thinking skill is in student who follow the learning process with the guided inquiry learning model and student who follow the learning process with the free inquiry learning model. 2. Is there an interaction effect between the inquiry learning model and scientific attitude on student divergent thinking skill in PLH? 3. In the group student who have a high scientific attitude, are there different in PLH divergent skill student who follow the learning process using the guided and learning model and student who follow the learning process with the pre-inquiry learning model. In the group of students who have allowed scientific attitude, are the difference in PLH divergent abilities between students who follow are the learning process using the guided inquiry learning model and students who follow the learning process asing. The method used is the study experimental method. The target population in study were all PGSD, STKP 11 Sumedang student for the 29 academic year. Determine the upper and lower group of the two classes above based on the result of the measurement of scientific attitude. sampling, 27% of students in the upper group for the group of students who have a high scientific attitude, and 27 of the group of students who have a low scientific attitude. The data collected in the primary data, namely data obtained directly from the object of research. This data includes student scientific attitude and the projectical skill. Data collection technique, questionnaire on test for student scientific attitude and written test of student projectical skill. Data analysis. One, descriptive analysis. Descriptive analysis in this study was conducted to present summary several statistics below. Prerequisite test, normality test, homogeneity test, hypothesis testing, statistical hypothesis. Statistical hypothesis plus hypothesis. Second hypothesis, third hypothesis, fourth hypothesis. Hypothesis testing. Hypothesis testing in the SPSS and further testing discussion. One difference in PLH dependent thinking skill between students who follow the learning process with the guided learning model and students follow the learning process with the inquiry learning model. Based on the research, the calculation of data obtained by height of sight 0,00. This means that sig 0,00 low 0,05. Then there is an influence between the guided inquiry learning model and the pre-inquiry learning model on the PLH thinking ability. Two, the effect of the interaction between the inquiry learning model and scientific attitude on the presenting skill based on the research results obtained at height sig 0,02. This means that sig 0,02 less than 0,05. Then there is an interaction effect between learning model and scientific attitude on the ability to represent PLH. In the group of students with high scientific attitude, different in PLH representing ability between students who follow the learning process with the guided inquiry learning model and students who follow the learning process with the pre-inquiry learning model. This can be seen through the result of Porter testing asymptotic, where hitung less than table is 1,93, less than 4,11. The average flow of PLH representing skill, so it can be said that there is no significant difference between the group using the guided learning model and the group using the pre-inquiry. In the low scientific attitude group, the difference in the presenting skill between students who follow the guided inquiry learning process and students who follow the learning process with the pre-inquiry learning model. Using further test, the donut obtained the count 5,26 sampai 27. This means that hitung more than table is 5,27 more than 4,11. The results showed that for the group of students who had low scientific attitude, the presenting ability of PLH students who applied the guided inquiry learning model was higher than the students who applied the pre-inquiry learning model. Conclusion: is based on the result of testing and data analysis. Several conclusions were obtained, including one, the guided inquiry and pre-inquiry learning model can affect the presenting skill in PLH course. Two, there is an interaction between the inquiry learning model and scientific attitudes toward the presenting skill. Three, in the group of students who have a high scientific attitude, the presenting ability of PLH within students who are taught using the guided learning model, the group does not have a significant difference with students who are taught using the pre-inquiry model. In the group of students who have a low scientific attitude, PLH the thinking ability between students who are taught using the guided learning model is higher than the thinking ability. And thank you. Assalamualaikum